Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMA Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And we provide different digital marketing solutions, including SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, and web development services. So let's get started on the question today I have. And the question is, I have a doubt. I'm running ads for a paving company, and my target area is from Cobourg to Napenee. In case if I'm pronouncing the spelling of the city correctly, pardon if I'm not saying it correctly. But in my search time, I'm getting paving company in Kingston and paving company in Oshawa, paving company in GTA, paving company in Toronto. What causes this and what are the ways to fix this? Okay, so the question is genuine. Let me show you how someone can figure it out, and then I can guide it on it. For instance, this is one of the account of the customer. Just we have to go to the keyword, and in the keyword there's a terminology search term. Okay, in the search term, exact reason can be determined on from where the query is being searched on. So if even if you have added the word paving company as a keyword, your ad will be shown for paving company in Kingston. Okay, to eliminate or to stop this position, you have to do pinpoint certain things. First of all, location wise, you have to go to your location settings, and which you can go from the settings over here, or you can see over here and see your locations and have your location as a targeted location. Set your location. So the first strategy is to set your location over here. Once you set the location over here, the second thing you can do over now after setting your location is to work on your keyword searches, work on your keyword match type. Okay, for keyword match types, my suggestion is to have a phrase match, or it's usually because you have added this as a broad match keyword. So to make it a phrase match, you have to add this column with the keyword like this, paving company, this. But in case if you still get this error, which I hardly think, you can do two things: to have them as the negative keyword, or the best strategy is to have them as an exact match, so that no particular query or no particular word can be combined with this. So the best strategy over here is to go with the exact match, and also add the words as a negative match. For instance, you want to do not want your ad to be shown when someone is searching for a Kingston, Oshawa, or GTA. So you can have add those in your negative keyword. So add a negative keyword, just press the dash button along with the keyword, and let's say you want to add Oshawa. So just simply select this one and add over here in the go to the keyword, and over go to negative keyword, and you can directly add over here this keyword as well, and it will be added as a negative. So once this is added as a negative, whenever this word is appear even with the targeted keyword, then your ad won't be shown. So I hope it answers your question. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and in case if you want our services, the details are in the description of this video and how you can reach us. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.